Morning montage. We're back. Okay. Cambodia, Siem Reap. My 45th birthday day in the life of Jeremy. There's tranquility. Hear that. Beautiful. Okay, first up, breakfast. Montage of leaving things. Montage. Montage. So in my rush to actually get downstairs and get out to have breakfast, I forgot the two main things you need for Cambodia. So I got down the 62 stairs, turned around, went back up the 62 stairs just to get the things that I need and what I should have got straight away. So here I am back again. Sunscreen. Check. Spray. No tickabunya for me. Check. As you can see, it's starting to rain, so I retreated to the Temple Coffee at Wappo. I love this place. So I have a coffee and a croissant and relax for a couple of hours. Unfortunately, it rained for most of the day, so it kind of washed out my whole plan for my birthday tour around Siem Reap, but luckily a friend of mine named Nathan had me a present, so the next day I went to his printing place and here it is. Hello to you too. Here we are at Silk Screen Printing Lab. This is run by Nathan. He has a birthday present for me, and I'll be able to get that. And you'll see that in our next vlog when we go to Phnom Penh. So yeah, this is the Silk Screen Printing Lab. It's a Green Gecko social enterprise. Nathan will actually take us through the whole process when we get back from Phnom Penh in a couple of weeks. He's been really busy, got a few orders in, which is very good. It's very good for the local community because he employs a lot of local Khmer people. It's a big operation, so he'll actually show us through everything when we get back and actually show us the merch. So Let's go and get my birthday present. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It does really help the channel to grow. Also, at the end of the vlog, there's a little extra for Mark. So enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one very shortly. Bye. Let's chase that Camry. Camry! Camry! Okay. Four in the road. Other road, RAV4. Try to get them. Damn you, RAV4. Yeah.